Humans are great at coming up with ideas, but not as great at organizing them. Ideas need to be shaped, explored, and worked on before they ever reach their full potential. That's where idea boards help. They bring clarity to scattered thoughts and help teams move ideas forward. And in this video, we'll walk through 6 steps to create an idea board from scratch, using ClickUp, the world's first converged AI workspace. The very first step is to identify the purpose of your idea board. Before you start ideating, get clear on what you're trying to accomplish, a feature brainstorm, a design brief, or solving a specific problem, and define who needs to be involved and what inputs already exist. This ensures everyone is aligned and ready to think in the same direction. The next step is to choose a digital idea board. That's where ClickUp Whiteboards, the fully integrated visual canvas inside ClickUp, make a difference. ClickUp Whiteboards give you infinite space. Drawing tools, sticky notes, shapes, AI image generation, real-time updates, and secure shareable access. And because whiteboards connect directly to ClickUp tasks and docs, your ideas never stay static. They move into action. Once you've selected the right idea board, pick a template that best organizes your ideas. A blank canvas can be intimidating. So start with a structure that fits your ideas session. ClickUp comes with templates for flowcharts, brainwriting, concept maps, retros, and more. And if your team needs full flexibility, the new whiteboard template gives you a customizable starting point with custom fields, statuses, and views. Now it's time to invite ideas from your team. Bring everyone into the board on a call or asynchronously and share the goal, the space, and the rules of engagement. Remember to assign one person to guide the flow so the board doesn't turn into chaos. On ClickUp Whiteboards, you can then let everyone add sticky notes, images, links, sketches, anything that brings their thinking to life. Once everyone's done adding their ideas, it's time to review and organize them. Go through every idea respectfully. The good, the weird, the scrappy, all of it. Then group similar ideas, merge duplicates, and strengthen the promising ones together. Different visualization techniques work for different purposes. Need to prioritize features? Use a 2x2 matrix, plot cost versus effort. High impact, low effort ideas rise to the top. Managing a workflow? Create a flowchart. Map every step, every decision point, every branch. Breaking down complex concepts? Build a concept map. Show how smaller pieces connect to form the whole. The format shapes how teams think about the ideas, so choose the right structure for your ideas. Now let's make your ideas actionable. Once the team aligns on the strongest ideas, convert them directly into tasks, without leaving your whiteboard. Link docs, attach files, and assign owners right from the canvas. And with ClickUp Brain, your contextually aware AI assistant, you can even generate task descriptions and outline workflows, so nothing stays stuck in ideation mode. Everything moves toward execution. So that's how you create an idea board that goes beyond brainstorming. And ClickUp brings it all together. Brainstorming to execution, all in one workspace. Sign up today and start building idea boards that actually drive results.